Hey, how are you doing? Patient 400. That's who you are? Yeah. And it says right here, the last time you visited us, it's been, yeah. Damn, it has been a while. So, what brings you in today? Okay. Yeah, you know what? I think we can help you with that. Any other issues? Okay. Okay. Yeah? Well, how does that make you feel? Okay. All right. Yeah, I think we can help you out with that today, since that's our specialty. Let me just sit that down real quick and put my pen away. All right, let me start with a quick look into your eyes with my flashlight here. So, hope you're not going to be too sensitive to this. Are you ready? Okay. Yeah, okay. Both of them look really good. All right. Now, can you do me a favor and follow the light from the left to the right? Okay. Just making sure. Oh, excuse me. All right. Now I'm gonna, sorry, I'm cracking my hands here. All right, now let me do a little thing here. I gotta, damn it. Okay. Just hold still. I need to check out your scalp. Yeah, it's pretty dry. You know, that's not our job here, but I do think you could use some moisturizer. Yeah, that's out of our budget currently. Sorry, the old sound doctor's using the only pair of gloves we got here at the clinic today. And, well, you don't have nothing to worry about because I keep my hands perfectly clean, and I ain't even gonna touch anything after this. I'm gonna go and wash my hands, you know, so I'm not spreading your dirty hair, scalp follicles, and all that everywhere, especially all over your face. Right? No, I'm just kidding around. A little humor, that doesn't hurt. Okay, so how does that feel? Okay, you know, that's great, because a lot of patients here at our clinic say the exact same thing. A good scalp massage can really help relax. Put you in a state of relaxation. Of course, this is not a scalp massage. This is just me checking out your scalp. All right. That's great. Yeah, you know what? Yeah, that's correct. we just got reestablished. We just got we got our license back, and we opened up shop here, and I'm a new hire into this clinic. I've known about the Sound Clinic for a couple years and how it shut down, and big long story. You know, that's really out of my pay grade right now, so I'm just doing my job, what I'm paid to do right now. So, I mean, maybe we could talk about that some other time, or, you know, when the sound doctor sees you, he can talk about that with you, because really that's out of my pay grade. You know, I don't get paid very much here at the Sound Clinic, and, well, you know, I'm just going off topic. So I think we can help you with your issue, and I'll be right back. Gotta take care of some things, so you sit tight right here. I need some rubber gloves, but we ain't got any. Alright, now that we got that part taken care of, I'm going to check your heart rate, because that is one of our practices here at the Sound Clinic. Should have did that earlier, but, you know, don't tell. Shh, let me tell you a secret, okay? Come a little closer. Let me get up in your face. Don't tell the sound doctor. But, you know, I missed it. Maybe some things aren't followed as they should be. Now, hey, I'm not saying I'm doing a poor job or anything, but hey, I'm not qualified for this. You don't need to be qualified for this. I came here to work, and I came here to do a job, and I'm going to do that job. You want a professional? You see the sound doctor. He knows his stuff. He's been doing it for many years. And sure, he lost his license for a while and went through all that. I'm sure you heard about it all, but my whole point is just keep that between you and I. Don't tell anyone. Don't tell him, especially. And let me continue working here and doing my job now. I'm going to get back to my job. So that'll be your little secret along with my little secret. And that'll be between the two of us, okay? So, shh. Okay? Pinky swear on that? Great. All right. Now you hold real still right here. And yeah, that's actually really good. In fact, if you could hear this yourself. Oh. All right. If you could hear that for yourself, it was absolutely within the range that it needs to be in. And I think that's absolutely fantastic. Of course, I believe that had something to do with me and my little scalp check and just everything that I'm supposed to do here at this sound clinic, a part of my job, because, you know, I do my job. I'm here to do my job. I'm here to do my job really good. And yeah. So when you see the sound doctor, I want you to tell him I'm doing my job really good and you really like me. And you know what? Oh, damn. Pocket's empty. But look, hey, you can, when we're all done here, when you see the sound doctor, when you get out of here, make sure you stop by the receptionist's office and you say hi to Gerald and you say, hey, Gerald, can I, well, you tell him I sent you. What's my name? Well, shit, you don't know who I am? Really? Wow. Jeez. I'm kind of offended. Maybe I should wear a name tag now. Like when I'm working, maybe I should just wear a name tag. Hold on. Yeah, okay. Maybe I should just wear a name tag because, you know what? Just forget it. Just tell him after you're done with the sound doctor, tell Gerald up front at the receptionist desk that, you know, I'm the only one wearing green scrubs around here. Just tell him the guy in the back with the green scrubs, he said, hey, come up here. Stop by. Grab a lollipop, okay? That's my little treat to you. Because I had some, but I ate it. And I was going to give it to you, but it's not in my pocket because I ate it already. So, yeah, stop by up there, get some candy for yourself. You know, brush your teeth afterwards. Don't want to get any cavities or anything because those things suck and they're really bad. And, you know, if it gets too bad, you have your teeth pulled out. And that hurts a lot. Even with the pain pills they give you, it really hurts a lot. So, I'm sorry, am I stressing you out? I'm sorry. That's the opposite of my job. I'm trying to relax you. That's the whole point of the sound clinic. I'm just getting you through the exam, okay? So I think we covered all the basics. I forgot the rest of them. You can get going to the next stages of your examination, the interview, whatever else. You know what? I haven't really been told about any of these other stages. I don't even know. I don't know. But yeah, I know you'll see the sound doctor, and remember when you're done, get them lollipops, and you know, just give a thumbs up, okay? So yeah, you know what? Let me do a little, because I just want to be sure that I'm not causing you any stress or raising your heart rate. No, you're good. You're great, actually. You know what? I think our little talk here has definitely helped you. I really hope it has. I really do. I mean, when you came in earlier, like, you were all over the place, and now you're just kind of sitting there and really paying attention to what I'm saying, and you know, I think we're connected. You know, I think we're really connected, and we got a. I don't really know you. I don't even know you, but I think you and I are connected somehow. I just feel like I can really talk to you, and you really listen, and I think you get what I'm saying, and I like that. I like that a lot, in fact, and you know what? All right, but anyways, to sum it all up, you're good. I'm gonna get the results in, and someone else is gonna be in here shortly to see you, so You take care of yourself, and I hope I get to see you again and you come right back to this sound clinic. All right, so you have a good one, and really hope you enjoy the rest of your treatment here at the sound clinic. Till next time, take it easy.